Good morning, everybody. It's time for a little shave. And for today's shave, I'm gonna be using Kaw Hiatus. This is another Piña Colada inspired soap. I freaking love it. This was the first one. So good. In the creme fraiche, something like that, the base. It's so good. And of course, I have the matching toner. Really nice. Love Caw's toners. To me, they are the best. For the razor, I'm gonna be using the Amakuni, lent to me by Chris Lathered Yeti, with a Schick P30. Same one, same blade as the previous shave. It's pretty much the same actually, because I'm still using my. Let me see if I put it right this time. The Moon. Nope, still, still, of course. Now, Moon Soaps Beachcomber. Freaking beautiful. Love this handle. It's probably one of my favorites now. Well, favorite handle now. G5C 28mm, and already have the lather worked up on the casual breakwater. So yeah, it's pretty much the same except for different soap. Even though they have a very similar scent. Though I have to say the one in Hanami is more true to the candy or the scent. This one is more a little bit more different. But it's really nice too. It's really nice. I'm gonna work the leather a little bit. And when I say a little bit, it's gonna be a lot. Let me pick up a little bit. Boop, pick up. Maracas included. Yeah, it's already. Technically, it does the peaks already, huh? So technically, it's ready. But you know, I'm not gonna stop it there. So. Still one more. Today is Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday. Yesterday I didn't work, and then on the afternoon I received that unfortunately we don't have work until Wednesday, I believe. So maybe tomorrow I have work or maybe not. We'll see. Freaking sucks. It's like when I start to catch up, something happens. This is a really nice scent. It's been a while since I used a Kaw because I keep buying stuff and bought a lot of decoration grooming, then I bought a lot of BBS. And it just go crazy. Yeah, it's already looking beautiful. Didn't take too much, 2 minutes and 40 something seconds, and I was already on the bowl, pretty ready. Just added a little bit more water to work it out on the face. But this is pretty much ready. Yeah, let's make it a fast one. Or a less longer one. Yeah, the Amakuni is super smooth. Definitely the smoothest one AC razor that I have used so far. So I was saying, if you're interested in an AC razor, I would say this one is the best. Problem is, it's probably the more expensive one. Look at that. Rubbing. It's a really nice razor. I probably won't get it because, like I mentioned previously, I don't use AC razors that much unless I get it at a really good price. But yeah, I prefer double edge. I have so much leather. I'm pretty sure I can do 2 shaves or more with all the leather that I have on the bowl. But you know what? It's not like I'm gonna run out of soap. It's so refreshing, this scent. Very refreshing. Now here's where the Amakuni shines. It's the smooth one. On this path for me. Now I don't know if it is the most efficient out of them. I'm still debating because the one that I use the most is a Shield. But what matters to me is that I have a great shave. It's also well balanced. I know, at least for me, it looks funky because you have the very thin small head and then this thick rounded handle, but makes it more balanced and easier to grab. Because the shield is really thin and the vector is really thin. The other one would be the Hawk, but the Hawk I found it very mild. Not even with the Feather Pro Supers I got an efficient shape, but I can bob the heck out of my face and I didn't got no irritation or anything. Just look at that. If you like some Piña Colada. I'll continue. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. Really enjoy the razor. Not gonna lie, it's very nice. Very nice. What? No, I thought that it was a nick, but no. So far I got lucky, I guess. Yeah, it has so much lather left over. Very smooth going across the neck, which I found not every razor is capable of doing that. Well, there you go. Couple of nicks, not the end of the world, like always. No biggie. No biggie. Where's the... Check if I have any pickups. Yeah. In the mustache. Because you know, if I'm not bleeding on the mustache, nice. That's it. Everything got removed. Another nice shave. Maybe I have to pull out the Asylum just to see if I get lucky with that one. Rematch with the Asylum injector. It's been a while since I used it, and last time I used it, it was a bloodbath. Even worse than the Chevette and the Lathered razor. I'm pretty sure I need to get another injector plate. That was nice. Time for the toner. Time for the toner. Have I said that enough? Holy Kaw toner? Freaky. They work wonders. They leave the skin feeling so perfect, pretty much. And you feel, well, at least I feel it tightening the skin. That's what I love, because no other toner does that for me. And it lasts a while. Look at that. Look at how much I still have left. It's like, I can easily do another shave with this. It was another great shave. So that's it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching as always, and I guess I'll see you on the next shave. Have a great day.